Welcome. If you have been trading gold and you have not been making consistent profits, I want you to pay attention. I'm about to review a secret strategy that will help you trade gold profitably. Do you understand? This particular strategy is the only strategy you need to make massive profit trading gold. Do you understand? It is only meant for gold. Do you understand? After watching this video, you will start making consistent profit trading gold. Do you understand? So all you need is to pay attention and understand how to make use of this strategy. Do you understand? How to make use of this strategy. Once you understand this particular strategy, apply it as it is, and you will see yourself making consistent profit trading gold. Do you understand? So I will reveal to you the secrets of this particular strategy. This is called golden strategy for trading gold. Do you understand? I call it golden strategy for trading gold. Do you understand? Now I will reveal the secret to you. Only one indicator you need. You need what? Only one indicator. Relative strength index. That is the only indicator you need to trade gold and make consistent profits. Do you understand? Now let me show you the settings. Before I break down on how to apply this particular strategy on gold. Trading what? Trading gold. Do you understand? Pay attention. Once I get to the settings for the setup, write it down. Do you understand? Use pen and paper, write it down, or you can screenshot it. Do you understand? Understand the parameters. The setup. Once you understand the parameters and how to apply it, do you understand? Then you will start making consistent profit trading gold. Now this is the settings. Go to function, only RXI, relative strength index. Do you understand? So once you get here, you click on it. So here are the settings. Here are what the settings for relative strength index. Do you understand? Pay attention. Here are what the settings. The period is 24. Apply to close. Do you understand? The color of the style, choose the color of your choice. Now when you come to the level, pay attention. This is the main point. Here is the main point, the level. That is where the main point, the secret of this strategy lies. The level is what? 50. The level is the what? The 50. That is the secret point of this strategy. Do you understand? So once you are done setting up this relative strength index in this manner, you hit what? You hit done. That is all you need to do what? To set up this particular strategy. Now let me show you how to apply this and make consistent profit. I will be testing multiple entries. Do you understand? Which you just understand how the strategy is being used. You can make use of it and do what? Make excess profit trading gold. Now this is how the strategy works. From the side, look at this. This is the section, the RSI section. From the side of RXI section, look at it. This is where I want you to pay attention. You see this 50 mark? See this 50 mark? That is where I want you to focus. The 50 mark, that is where I want you to focus. Now, when the RSI crosses this 50 line mark, if the crossing is from up down this way, that is what? Sell signal, confirm sell signal. Now if the crossing is from down up, That is what? Buy signal. Do you understand? Confirm buy signal. Do you understand? Now, let's go into the main thing. This is how to apply this. Watch carefully. Now, look at this. Look at this point. Look at this point of crossing here. This is where I want you to pay attention. Look at this point where the RSI crosses the 50 mark line. Look at it. So this is what? A clear sell signal. A clear what? A clear sell signal. So once you notice this crossing, the only thing you do is to do what? Make your entry. Do you understand? Make your what? Make your entry. Look at where the crossing occur here. So look at where you need to do what? Make your entry here. And this is what? SSA profits. This is what? SS profits. Do you understand? So any entry you are making, make use of proper stop loss. Do you understand? So this is the first trade, and this is what? Profitable trade. Now let's proceed. Now this is the second entry here. Watch here. This is what? The second entry. See where the RSI crosses this 50 landmark. Are you seeing it? From down upward. So this is what? A clear buy entry. Do you understand? This is what? A clear buy entry. So what I want you to do here is to do what? Make your buy entry from this point of crossing. Look at it. Once it crosses the 50 mark line, make your buy entry here. Are you seeing it? Make your what? Buy entry here. This is a massive profit. Are you seeing it? This is what? Massive profit. This particular strategy is golden strategy for trading gold. Golden strategy for trading gold. Are you seeing it? Now let's proceed. Let's proceed. Now look at this. Look at this. This is another crossing here. This is another crossing here. Look at it from up downward. From up downward. So you make your sell entry here. Look at it. Look at the crossing here. So you make your sell entry here. Once you make your sell entry here with the proper stop loss, this is what? SS profit. Are you seeing it? This is what? SSA profit. So let's continue. Now this is another crossing here. There is a spark here. Now look at this. Look at this. This is where the crossing occur. Are you seeing it? So this is the candle where you need to do what? Make your entry here. This is where you need to make your entry. Pay attention. This is where you need to do what? Make your entry from that point of crossing. From where the RSI crosses it. Look at it. Look at the way you need to do what? Make your entry. And you know what? Look at this spark. Look at this spark. The spark is in your favor. Are you seeing it? So this is a golden strategy for trading gold. Do you understand? This strategy is meant for gold. Do you understand? Now let's proceed. Let's do what? Let's proceed. Now look at another crossing here. Look at another crossing here. Look at it. See where the crossing occur. Are you seeing it? So make your sell entry here. Make your sell entry there. Are you seeing it? So this is what? Massive profit. This is what? Massive profit. Guys, this particular strategy is golden strategy. I am revealing it free of charge in Optima FS. This is Optima FS, where profitable strategies are being shared free of charge. Do you understand? My intention is for you to stop blowing your account. Start making profit trading forex. Do you understand? So this is massive profits. This is what? Massive profits. As easy as that. Guys, you don't need any other strategy. This is the only strategy you need to trade gold and make consistent profits. Do you understand? This is Optima FS. What we do here, we share profitable strategies, tested and trusted strategy. Do you understand? So let's proceed. That's not all. Let's proceed. Now look at another crossing here. Look at another crossing here. Look at it. Are you seeing it? So you make your buy entry here with proper stop loss, and this is excess profit. Are you seeing it? This is what excess profit, guys. How many entries have I tested? It's still, look at it. Look at another crossing here. Look at another crossing here. Make your buy entry here, and this is excess profit. Do you understand? So guys, this part now, watch this. This is a live chart. This is live chart. Now make your sell entry here. Look at this. Look at the way the crossing occur. So you make your sell entry here. Make your sell entry. Yeah. Once you make your sell entry there, this is what excess profit. This is excess profit. Make your sell entry here. So this is live chart. Are you seeing it? This is what excess profit, as easy as that. So guys, this is the only strategy you need to make it massive trading gold. Trading what? Trading gold. I call it golden strategy for trading gold. Golden strategy for trading gold. Guys, my mission is for you to make excess profit trading forex. Don't forget, this is Optimal FS, where profitable strategies are being shared. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Share this video to other traders so that they will start making profits. You understand? So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.